Today, I want to be talking to you about what's happening with the real estate market in Edmonton and the mortgage market going forward from December of 2024 going into 2025. So, I'm going to be talking to you about the latest statistics that are happening in Edmonton with the real estate market. I'm going to be going through all of the new mortgage programs that are going to be able to benefit you and your customers. And we're going to talk about some of the market trends that are happening right now and what I think is going to happen next year. So wait until the end of the video and I'll explain to you what my predictions are for 2025. So let's talk about the market in Canada. So let's talk about the market in Edmonton first in 2024. We saw an increase of about 6% in real estate property values. So a pretty significant increase and enough to attract a lot of people to Edmonton. And I think all of the news that's happening, the interest rate reductions and everything going on right now is going to create some momentum. And that momentum is also going to be fueled by the overpriced properties in Vancouver, Toronto, other parts in Canada. So what you're seeing is investors from out of country coming in and seeing an opportunity in the Edmonton and also in the Calgary marketplace. And also investors from out east and out west that are coming into Edmonton looking for better opportunities, more jobs, higher pay, and lower property values. So I really think property values are going to keep increasing. So let's talk single family homes first. What's happening with single family homes? Well, we saw the highest increase of single family homes in Edmonton in 2024 with values of up to $485,000 on average. Condos, like apartment style condos, have seen the lowest increase in value of only 2%. And that's because there's just so many of them out there and less buyers interested in condos at this time. Average condo price, apartment style condo, is sitting at $240,000. Now, townhouses, that's the next one I want to talk to you about, saw an increase of about 4% this year, with average prices of $320,000. One thing I have seen that you may be interested in is I have seen a lot more people interested in buying land to build their property on themselves. So you got these investors coming from all over the place. There's all these new infill builders that are coming up and obviously earning a profit if they keep on buying these types of these land type properties. And commercial properties in Edmonton has also seen a significant increase. There's just been more and more action on the commercial end, and I think that will also move into 2025. So there's been a ton of mortgage changes that you need to be aware of, and it can shape what our market is going to be like next year. So first of all, I'll talk about what happened today. So what happened today is the Bank of Canada did another rate reduction. Now, I want to be really clear with this because I think people don't fully understand what the rate reductions are, but I'm going to simplify it for you here. The variable rates are the ones that are affected directly, and the variable rate will decrease by 0.5%. So there's all this talk about key interest rates and all this stuff like that. It doesn't affect the fixed interest rate directly. However, oftentimes when the Bank of Canada does these rate reductions, the fixed rates also could potentially go down a little bit, but it's not by necessarily 0.5%. Next, on December 15th, you can finance up to $1.5 million with as little as 5% down. Before that, you needed 20% when you got into these levels. So now you can do it with as little as 5% down. This is really going to help people like doctors, lawyers, people that are just getting out of school that want to buy a large property with a little down payment due to probably not major significant savings. It'll also help buyers in the BC marketplace like Vancouver and Toronto, that type of thing, where property values are just so high. I mean, the average home price in Toronto, for example, is $1.4 million. It's crazy. So this is going to help those people be able to afford to buy properties in their city. On December 15th, another awesome change is coming into play is that first-time homebuyers are going to be able to mortgage their property up to a 30-year term. So a 30-year amortization is what they can go up to. This is going to allow a lot of people to afford a more expensive property, or if they stick with kind of like their current pre-approval, it'll allow payments to be lower. So a lot of really good things are going to come from this program, but definitely you'll be able to qualify for more. And finally, they've increased the amount of your RRSP that you can use for the first time homebuyer program RRSP program to $40,000. So an increase of about $5,000 to the program. So now you will have lower payments because you can use more of that RRSP money towards your down payment on your first house. So overall, the market is on an upward trend in Edmonton right now. I think, and they're predicting that there's going to be about a 10% increase in property value over the next 12 months. It's absolutely insane. And this was in the news. So this is just going to spark a ton of people to buy. It's putting pressure on buyers. Right now, there's not a lot of inventory out there in a lot of property categories. So that's also squeezing prices to go up. So if you're a person that's saving money, making investments, or wants to get a line of credit, right now may be the time to get that line of credit on your property because the values are inflated right now. So I can get you a larger line of credit. Rates are also going down. So if you were a person that was, getting a mortgage done a year ago or a year and a half ago where you have rates of 5% or maybe higher, then now's the time where I can refinance you into a much better rate. But real estate prices are definitely most likely going to increase in 2025. I think interest rates are also coming down a little bit, and then there's going to be a ton of people moving here. I'm getting at least a few calls a day from my website where people are calling me saying, "Hey, Sean, I'm going to be moving to Alberta," or "I'm thinking about moving to Alberta." And this type of activity is something we haven't seen since 2006, 2007, where the real estate prices were highly inflated. Now, that being said, the prices went up in 2006 and 2007, huge, and then they went back down. So I don't know what the future holds, but I hope it's good. And I hope you have an exit strategy, just like I do, for any investment that you make on when it's going to go up and when it's going to go down. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel and call me if you have any mortgage related questions I can help you with. This is not financial advice, so please don't take it as such, but definitely call me if you have real estate or mortgage questions. Thanks.